And here we are in the studio. I'm coming through to pick up some paperwork that I got to take home, read, and sign. Although I'm not working and probably won't be till end of April. Here's some of the studios here. 7 was Star Trek. That was Star Trek. 14 over there. That was Fubar with Arnold Schwarzenegger. This is the back lot here of Hollywood North. And stage 3 coming up on the right is where I was also with Fubar, Arnold Schwarzenegger. And there's 2 and 1. Those are the other studios. 17 where I was working one day last week on The Boys. Number 5 over there, you're going straight through. Number 5 over there was also Schwarzenegger. Yeah, this is what it looks like, man. This is a brand new building. We were building it last year when I was working here with Schwarzenegger. I got to go to the office building, which is around over here. We're turning right. And this is it. This is what it looks like here. It's called Pinewoods. A lot of these are reserved for producers and directors. You can see their names on the... where can we pull in? Oh, there we go, yeah. There's another security gate. Yeah, this is more like me and you, Bob.
Yep.
Gimpy handicaps. All right, I'm going to go in that building. I'll be out in about 2 minutes.
Yep.
Any words to impart, Studio Bob, for your fans out there in Hollywood North?
Have a great day, guys.
Oh, yes. Wyatt over. Never out.